What's up, everybody? It's Jarrell, and I'm gonna show you how, like, my cribs edition, my cribs. Yeah, first we're gonna go to the kitchen. Alright, we're in the kitchen. You see the kitchen? We got the refrigerator, get the refrigerator. Yeah, and I just, here's an icebox. There's an icebox. Yeah, it's real. Yeah, got a skateboard. Yeah, I love the scene. I sing every chance I get. I look at the big picture. Look at me, baby. Look at me. Everywhere I go. I also like to teach me how to jerk. 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 Teach me how to jerk.
Listen, now when it come to the jerk, we got the potion. They see the push and they leave they circle open. Smoother than lotion, colder than oceans. Now tell me if you can jerk it slow motion. Like us, now you know that my team's sick. All y'all heard the jerk, here's the remix. Now watch the team dip. You see the clean kicks, trying to jerk like me, I guarantee you leave your jeans ripped. Pause, drop, go, stop, I let my chain hang, go. Watch, think you so hot, but you so. Now keep jerking like you trying to make the
room, and that's the end of my cribs. Cribs.